Hi, my pupils. Welcome to Learn with Teacher Iman channel. Today, this video is for American syllabus or international syllabus for that learned by Dubai in Dubai and Qatar. This video for an international pupils that will learn this syllabus. In this syllabus, we are going to start what's the sentence to know the sentence. I hope to benefit from our video today. But before I will go to our video, I would like to say something. Don't forget to make share, like, subscribe to my channel. This is my channel to send you new videos. Let's go to our lesson today. In this video, I will start the syllabus of the international syllabus for pupils who are pupils of grade 1 in international syllabus or American syllabus for in Dubai and in Qatar. Okay, let's go to learn the first lesson here in this part. Here in this book, we learn this book called, I would like to say, this book called Wonders. This called this book called Wonders, Grammar Practice and Reproducibles. Grammar Practice Reproducibles. I hope to benefit from this video. Okay. Today I will start the first lesson. The first lesson today is about the sentence and how we make a sentence and how the sentence composed of. Okay, let's go to learn together this topic. Okay. In this lesson, we learn a sentence. What is a sentence? Can you define me or tell me what is the sentence? Sentence is a group of words that tells a whole idea. A sentence begins with capital letter. So the special thing that that I can know that is a sentence by starting by capital letter. And I would like to say something about the sentence. The sentence consists of subject, verb, and object. You must know this. This is like this sentence. Nat can go. So here is subject. Here is subject. This is called subject. And I would like the subject can be noun and pronoun. Here is verb, and here is verb. Here is one verb. Here is verb, and we have object here. Okay. So, but here we can say Ned can go. He is complete sentence and can depend on. Okay. But I would like to say that the sentence consists of subject, verb, object. Let's go to answer some questions related to this part. Here we say circle the sentence. So here we have some sentence. Some of them are sentence, and others are not. So let's read together and know what is the sentence. Sam has a hat. Is it sentence? So it's sentence. Why? Because it consists of what? Subject. Here is subject. Here is verb. And here is object. Okay? This is the sentence. This is kind of sentence? No, it's not. Why? Because first can't start by a capital letter and can't consist of this component of the sentence: subject, verb, object. So and they don't have meaning. Like to what? Like to do you have here no meaning? So I can't. Here is not no meaning. So I can refers to this. I would say that is a sentence. This is not a sentence because there is this this is not a sentence. We can say fragment. Okay, some of you say fragment means some sentence that have no meaning. Okay, we say we can. Let's go to the next sentence. We ran and ran. So this is a sentence. Yes, this is called a sentence. So this is a sentence. This is a sentence. Why? Because it started by the pronoun and started by capital letter. Can see is wrong. Why? This is called also fragment. Means sentence have no meaning. Have no meaning because it's have no meaning. Let's go to the next one. Pam has a bag. So here's the sentence. Yes, has a bag. Here's subject, verb, and object. Okay. So this is the component of sentence. Let's go to another one. I would like to say that is the first time I explain an international syllabus, but I hope to benefit from this time because I would like to depend to be able to reach you the information. I hope to benefit from me. And if you have a comment, you can write it below the channel in the comments, and I read it. And if you have something unclear, I will repeat it again. Okay, so we must support me to continue. Okay, so what is the sentence here? Sam has a hat. This is a sentence. We ran and ran. This is the sentence. Bam has a bag. This is the sentence. Nan can play. So this is the word of the sentence. Number one, Sam has a hat. We ran and ran. Bam has a bag. Nan can play. So what is the fragment or not sentence? Like to, this is not sentence. Can see is not a sentence. A cat is not a sentence. Let's go to next part here, or something or the next item here in this part. Sentence is a group of words, tells a whole idea. A sentence begins with capital letter. Let's do this exercise together. Dan has what? Dan has a hat. Dan has a hat. So when I use has, means something it belongs to me. Has here expressing that something it belongs to me. Okay, something it belongs to me. I would remind you by the verb to have. I, you, we. They, are you, we, they, take, have. I would like to, I know that you are in American or international syllabus and you know, but I would like to remember you, okay? We teach national and international, you can forget. So we can remember us with these verbs again and again, okay? So here we say, are you, we, they, take, have, and he, or he, she, it, take, has. He, she, it, take, what, take, has. Okay, so here, what is the pronouns that take have? That take have? He, she, it. What is the pronouns that take have? Are you, with they? Okay, now I think we know what is the pronouns that will be followed by have, and the other pronouns that followed by has. Let's go to another item here, which is here is to say, Pace ran to school. Who ran to school? Bam ran to school. Nan can what? Can play a tag. I think tag here is the tag here is a game. Okay, play a tag. So here we say Dan has a hat. So Bam ran to school. So here I write it. I write I put this word here. Why? Because it started by capital letter, and as we know from the definition of the sentence, that the sentence must be what? Must be in capital letter. So here is Bam ran to school. Nan can play tag. Let's go to the last one, to the last sentence here. We have one. We have the last sentence here, but I can't go by the spot here, because the line can move with me. Okay, the line will move with me. So here we can say I see what I see here. I see here what. Let's go to another. Here is we say Tom at school. So I see Tom at school. So I would like to repeat again. Dan has a hat. Pace ran to school. Bam. Nan can what? Nan can play tag. I see space at school. I see Tame at school. Okay. Why write a capital letter? Because Tame here is a name, and the names must be written by capital letter. And I would like to say something. Grade 1, that the pronoun I is the only pronoun comes in any place of the sentence must be written in capital letter. This rule I explained in national syllabus and international syllabus, and repeated more and more, that that pronoun I is the only pronoun must be written in capital letter. Okay, in any place of the sentence. So add words to make a sentence. So here I add what at the pronoun I can hop, or say I can hop, or Ahmed can hop, or anyone can write here any name or any noun or pronoun here before this verb. Okay, so I can say I can hop, can say he can hop, she can hop, and so on. Okay, let's go to another item here. I hope to benefit from me. I explained very slow to be able to understand. Okay, let's go to another one here. Every sentence begins with capital letter. Okay, so here is we have the punctuation that all of us know. So in when we explaining on national service, we say to the pupils to underline the letters that corrected. Here we have Sam is a name, so must be written in capital letter. Sam is at school, and I put full stop at the end of Sam. Here is Dan. Can I write then like this? No, I must write then by writing in capital by correcting the letter in capital letter, because then here is a name, and and also the beginning of the sentence must be written in capital letter. Here is we have this. This is not a name, but I started the sentence by capital letter. It will be this. Here is we say a cat, so must be written in capital letter. Okay, let's go to another item here. Here is you, can be written as it is. No, I put it, I underlined it and written in capital letter like this. Let's go to another item here. I would like to say something for you that who learned the international service. If you end from or you examine or you end from your exams, I would like to see this video as a review to remind you for what we studying, because English must be reviewed several times to remind what we taken. Okay, because if we don't make a review, we can forget everything. Okay, so let's continue the rest of the lesson today. A sentence is a group of words that tells us the whole idea. Every sentence begins with capital letter. Let's go to another item here. Here we say, write each sentence correctly. I can write this sentence is correct to write written like this. No, I replaced W small, the small W by capital. Here is same. Same is a name, must be written in capital letter. Here is he, must be written in capital letter. Okay, I answer 3 of them and I leave the 2 sentences to do it by yourself. Okay, as a homework. Okay, let's go to another one. Here we say, add words, make a sentence. So here, what can I put here? It will say a cat, or can say a cat can, for example, a cat can run. For example, a cat can run, can write it as it is. Let's go to another one. Here we say, fill in the circle next to the complete sentence. Here we say, here is we have a sentence, and we must put a circle about the sentence that is completed, that the sentence that have a meaning. Okay, sentence that have a meaning. Okay, the sentence that can't have a meaning, we can't make a circle on. Okay, here we say, Bam can back, has a cave, ran and ran. Okay, so which one is correct? The first one. Bam can back. Let's go to another one. That has a cat. Then and Nan ran. So the correct sentence, it will be then and Nan ran. Let's go to another item. Here we say number 3, can take. Tam has a cap. Jan and Dan. So the answer, it will be Tam has a cap. Let's go to another one. Number 4, has a hat. Nap on a mat. Sam has a pet. So the answer, it will be Sam has the pet. Okay, has the pet. Here we say, write your own sentence. Begin with sentence with the capital letter. I can write, she is beautiful. She is beautiful. This is the sentence. She is beautiful. I can say she's beautiful. This is the complete sentence. I can write another sentence. I can say, Ahmed plays football. Ahmed plays football. So this is the 2 sentences, and you can be able to write many sentences. We have several sentences can be written in this part. Okay, let's go to another item here. So here I stop here in this one, which is in week 1. Next class I will start week 2. I would like to follow me in this video. We have some words I would like to learn with me. Okay. Here we have some words I would like to learn with me. Here we say, here, what is the missing letter here? It will be here. What is the missing letter here? It will be big, written like this. So here is big. Here is this is big. Okay, this is big. Here is duck. Have D. Hen. Where is hen here? This one. Okay, so this is the big. Let's go to another one. So here we have horse. Here is horse. Which one is horse? Here, horse here. I write horse here is this one. Here is horse. Only horse. Here is goat. Here is the missing letter here. It will be G. Cow. The missing letter here. It will be C. So here the cow is in the first picture. Okay. So here is the cow, the first picture. So the missing letter here. It will be C. So let's go. So I would like to tell you the missing letters. So the missing letter here, it will be B. The missing letter here, it will be D. Okay. The missing letter here, it will be H. So big, dog, and hen. This is the hen. This is the big. Okay. The dog is under the picture, below these pictures. Okay. Where is the dog here? I would like to write the dog in front of. Here is duck. So I did this duck. This is the duck. So I select this one by this one. Hen. Where is the hen? This one by this one. Cow. Where is the cow? This one by this one. So the missing letter here, it will be C. Horse. This one by this one. Goat. Where is the goat here? This one by this one. So here we say big, dog, hen, cow, and horse. Horse and goat. So I would like to repeat it here. Big, 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 dog, duck, duck, hen, 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 cow, 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 horse, 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 goat, goat, goat. I will repeat and repeat after me. Big, 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 duck, 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 hen, 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 cow, 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 horse, 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 goat, goat, goat. By this video and from our lesson today. I hope to benefit and enjoy our video. Don't forget to make share, like, subscribe to my channel to do new videos. Thanks a lot until you meet again. Goodbye.